Regular expressions or regex in Alteryx Designer are incredibly useful for text parsing, allowing us to locate, extract, or replace patterns in text fields. With the Regex tool, we can handle complex data cleaning tasks, such as standardizing phone numbers, extracting email domains, or filtering out unwanted characters. For instance, if we have emails like this first one, sullivan0@indiatimes.com, and we just want to capture the domain indiatimes.com, we can use the regex parse tool within the expression dot star at parentheses dot star parentheses, using the parse mode to grab everything after the at symbol. This makes it easy to pull out domains for analysis. I know that regex can be intimidating at first, but it's highly efficient for data wrangling. And look, we have all of our domains in just one click.